Hello, welcome, what's up guys, I am Mariovit, and in this tutorial I will show you how to add a tags on your YouTube channel. I will show you how to do it, so you may leave like, subscribe, share to others, write a comment, let's go. So, okay, first what you need to do is log in on your account and click on the YouTube studio or manage videos. It doesn't matter now. Okay, and now click on the content. Okay. Now you choose video to which you want add tags. Okay, faster, quickly. Okay, and scroll down, and now click on the show more, and here you have tags. And now it are keywords. Here is right. Tags can be useful if content in your video is commonly misspelled, otherwise tags play a minimal role in helping viewers find your video. I don't think so. I think it is also very helpful. So here you write keywords, and it is this place. Yes. You write very similar words to title and description. As you can see, or to add thumbnail to YouTube video, okay, and you may also add tags during upload. During upload there is option on tags. You may scroll down and there add tags. Okay, I will show you. Here, scroll down. And here you have tags, and you add tags during upload videos, and that's all I wanted to show you. So thanks for watching. You may share to others, write a comment. Bye bye, and see you next time. Thanks. Thank you.